In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rejoin a WhatsApp group after leaving. If you've left a WhatsApp group and want back in, the process is simple, but you'll need a little help from someone who's still there. Once you leave, you can't add yourself back, so the quickest path is to reach out to a group admin or a friend who's still a member. Send them a short, polite message explaining that you'd like to rejoin and mention the group's name so there's no confusion. You can message them on WhatsApp directly or any other channel you use to keep in touch. Next, ask that person to open the group's info and add you back using your phone number. Here's what they need to do on their side. Open the group chat, tap the group name at the top to open group info, and choose the option to add participants or members. They can then search for your contact and confirm. A helpful tip here, make sure your number is saved in their contacts with the correct country code so it shows up right away when they search. Also remember that only group admins can add members directly. If the friend you contacted isn't an admin, ask them to forward your request to an admin who can complete the ad. If direct adding isn't possible, or if it's just easier, there's an alternative. Ask them to open group info and use the invite to group via link option. They can copy the link and send it to you privately. When you receive that link, simply tap it. WhatsApp will show the group details and a join group button. Confirm, and you'll be back in. Couple of quick tips about links. Some groups restrict who can generate or use invite links, and admins can reset a link at any time. If you see an error or the link looks invalid, it may have been revoked. Just ask for a fresh one. Also, treat the link like any private invite. Don't forward it around unless the group explicitly allows that. Once you're back, it's good etiquette to send a brief hello so people know you've rejoined, and take a moment to review any group guidelines pinned in the description. If notifications were the reason you left before, consider adjusting your notification settings or muting the group for a while so you can stay in without getting overwhelmed. So that's all there is to it. Contact someone in the group, have them add you directly, or share an invite link and confirm your join. Follow these steps and you'll be back in the conversation in no time.